Earlier this year, we tested out a rechargeable Bluetooth trail camera from Maxdone, and it's by far my favorite trail camera that I've tested. So today, we're testing out a similar trail camera from Maxdone, except this one has a solar panel to keep it charged and ready to go. And this trail camera comes shipped to your door, ready to capture the wildlife around you as well. Inside the box, you have a user manual, a hanging strap, hardware and mounts, a USB-C charging cable, and then your trail camera. Open up the waterproof seal on the bottom, and you can find a 32GB micro SD card preloaded, as well as a charge port and an on-off switch. The back of the trail camera has slots to put the strap through, and of course the solar panel on top. To get started, give your camera its first time charge. Then after it's charged, the solar panel will keep it topped off. So I took the trail camera out to the woods and found a deer trail next to the creek with some fresh prints. I put the strap through the back of the trail camera and then wrapped it around a sturdy tree. Then I locked it down in the direction that I wanted it. I opened the TrailCam Go app and then paired my new camera. After it's paired, you can go into the trail camera and adjust the settings, review clips, as well as check your camera angle. I walked around in front of the camera to check the area coverage, and the wide-angle lens made it easy to capture a nice bit of area. I also put my other Maxdone trail camera further down the trail, and I like that I can easily go in between the two cameras in the app. So I left the trail camera out for a couple of days and came back to check it. And surprisingly, the first clip we captured was of a pretty big buck and his lady friend. Throughout the course of the next few days, we had a lot of does walking through, and a few different bucks, but this one was the biggest. He was super interested in my camera too, but to be fair, it seemed like all of the deer were. This tree here has my other Maxdone camera strapped down to it, and you can see they were all super curious about it. Just goes to show how important it is to mask your scent. Then when nighttime came, it still activated quickly and captured some cool clips. A few more deer and bucks, a happy little rabbit, and then an even happier little fox chasing said rabbit. Also, this was my first time using two trail cameras in a line like this, and I like how you can see the infrared light from the other camera. When you aim the two at each other, you can really light up your subject. The trail camera activates quickly, and the quality looks good. It seems like the solar panel helps keep this thing charged for quite some time too. I've been running this for about a week now, and check out the battery life. Still going strong. My older trail cameras used 8 AA batteries, so this is a game changer. Overall, I really like this camera. So if you're looking to ditch the AA batteries and upgrade to a rechargeable trail camera, this solar trail camera from Maxdone might be what you're looking for. But that's it for me today. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the woods to see what clips I've captured today. See ya.